Hello, I would like to show you how to get started with Smart Entrance Counter solution. It uses XENSIV 60 GHz millimeter wave radar sensor. The solution can count number of people entering or exiting an entrance, which could help you in regulating the flow and determining the capacity of typical premises such as meeting rooms, canteen, waiting rooms in office environment or in airports, shopping malls, etc. This solution can also be very useful in ongoing COVID-19 situation. Solution runs on this embedded board. Let's unbox it. So here it is. As you see, this board has two different boards in it. So one is the parent board for connectivity options, and this small form factor board, which is 2 by 1.5 centimeter in size. It contains the XENSIV 60 GHz millimeter wave radar sensor right here, having 1 transmit and 3 receiver antennas, and it also has PZOC6 microcontroller, which is based on ARM Cortex M4F. For now, parent board comes with UART and USB connectivity options, and soon another variant with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth options would be available. So let's get started. We need a form factor board, a micro USB cable, connect to PC. And then we go to a GUI, this configuration tool. Here you can change the range all the way up to 3 meters. You can also change the orientation of the board in portrait or landscape mode, which actually then change the different antennas configurations. And you can also change the definition of in and out by choosing this reverse flag. And here in bottom, then you see the in and out count. We implemented this solution in our canteen at Campion. And here you can see in another video the whole solution is working quite well. So usually the board indicates a green light, but the moment you try to pass through the entrance, it will also turn to red, for example. Yeah. And for in count, it blinks at a rate, and for out count, then it blinks at a faster rate. So when you install the sensor on the side of a passage and you pass in front of it, for one direction it will blink LED, and for out direction, another direction, then it will blink at a faster rate. So we demonstrate you this one now. The whole entrance counter solution is running on PZOC6 microcontroller. Last not the least is FCC certifiable, which is very important aspect that differentiates the real product from a demo. Once you evaluate the solution and want to integrate this in your system, we could help you out. We can give you the binary command protocol manual, using which you can send the commands via UART USB interfaces, and you can get the data in your application. For more information, please visit Infineon.com Smart Entrance webpage for product information and to get in touch with us. Feel free to drop your comments in the section below, and we will be happy to answer. Thank you.